Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm going to do a nice quick video on BoxyCharm. If you haven't heard of BoxyCharm, this is a monthly subscription beauty box where you get a box every month of amazing beauty items from makeup to skincare. I was previously subscribed to Ipsy, but I wasn't satisfied with the Ipsy. Compared to BoxyCharm, like there's a difference in the sizes and the quality of items that you get, in my opinion. I just found that Ipsy was definitely small. Not just the packaging, but the items were just small, and maybe there was just one full-size item. And then I decided to try BoxyCharm because that was very popular, and it is a little more expensive. It's in US dollars, so it comes up to maybe about $30 a month. But in the long run, I'm getting like full-size samples, I believe. So I got 2 boxes. I think one was from May and this month in June. So we're going to unbox them and check it out. So I'll start with my smaller box. So here's the first one. I love getting things in the mail. It doesn't matter what, it's just like Christmas every day if I get a package in the mail. So, like, it's incredible the size of the items that I get compared to Ipsy. I'm sorry Ipsy. But look at this. Look at this. These are full-size items. It's like comparing apples to lemons. So in this box, what do I get? Love script, your body is a temple, worship it. Body wash, wild lavender. Oh, wild lavender foaming body wash. I never heard of this brand. Oh, yeah. Lavender, I know it's soothing, but I'm not into lavender. Yeah, okay. Now I know I'll be giving this to my daughter. Hello Fab, coconut skin smoothing priming moisturizer, safe for sensitive skin. I like primers, but it has coconut. I don't really like the scent of coconut, but my daughter does, so I think this will go to her. It creates a smooth canvas that is perfectly prepped for makeup and no makeup days. I'm just curious. Let's just see. Look at the size of this. This is crazy. How big that is. Nice pink texture, pink color. Goes on smooth. Doesn't feel greasy. Okay. Next up in this box, I have, what is this? Touch in Soul, that's the brand. Makeup palette. Oh, I love palettes. You know how I am about palettes. Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. Now, if this is a bronzer palette, I'm all for it. If I can open it. Oh, I'll be right back. That's my pizza baking in the oven. Okay, I'm back. Where was I? Oh, I love the packaging. I don't know why I did that. Oh, it is a bronzing palette. Different gradients of bronzes. It's very shimmery though. That's not, like, I don't want to look shimmery, too shimmery. Like, I want to glow but not shimmery, and I already have oily skin. So if I put any more, especially in summer, I will look like an oil slick. Oh, what pigment? Okay, that's it. Oh, ignore my nails, please. So this is the first shimmery color. This is the second color. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. More golden. Ooh, wow, yeah, very shimmery. More bronze. Oh God, the pigment is so nice. Look at that. God, the swatches are good. Oh, that was horrible. Can you see that? I did not do that. Let's do that again. Unless it's the pigment. From here, left to right, are these shades here. Oh, actually, no. Sorry. Oh, I love concealers. Okay, so this is Pretty Vulgar. This liquid concealer. in, what color is this? Undercover 63, the middle ground. So, doe fit applicator. This looks like my color, medium. Oh, feels lightweight. Yeah. Okay, not too thick. I'm gonna play around with this. And last one is, oh, another pack. OPV Beauty London Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. I never heard of this brand. Oh my God. Excuse me. Hacking up a lung. My pizza's not done. It's done now. Jeez. I'll be back. I need water. Okay. Where was I? OPV Beauty London Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. I never heard of OPV. Yeah, you know me. Say OPV. Okay. I have a feeling this is going to be bright and sparkly by just looking at the package. Oh God, why does this always happen? You know, it's going to be a struggle as usual. I'm always struggling. Okay, how am I going to open this? Is there something around me that I can use? I don't have a scissor with me. Okay, I'm being lazy. Let's just... Good at improvising. I just used this, see? It works! Nurses are so good at resourceful. We are so good at being resourceful. Proof. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. These are... Okay, I didn't think they'll be that bright, but it is gorgeous. Like, I am impressed. I can't help but stare at it right now. Comes with a nice mirror, and look at the colors on this. You know, I normally don't wear for I don't wear bright colors. Like, I won't, like, I see these over here and I'm like, oh, no, I don't reach for that. But this side, I am curious now. I feel like, okay, I'm gravitating toward this nice, it's called focus. That's where I'm focused on. Let's try that. Curious. Okay, let's see if I could put in my eye here. Oh, wow, there is pigment on this thing. Can you see that? Okay, let's try, oh, it's D-plug. Should I try this one or the blue? No, actually, okay, no. I'm always aiming for the orange. Let's try this nice sparkle. It's called Sparkle. Okay, they look very similar, these two colors. But I'll go with this one. Okay, let's try this one. God, this is awesome pigment. Ooh, these are all pretty. So there are a mixture of mattes and shimmers in here. Yeah, they're not in any particular order, but this is pretty. Ooh, this is more green. Oh, that is pretty. I should be using a brush, but I can't help myself. I gotta play around with this. I am loving this palette. Oh, OPV. Out of this box, I think this is my favorite. The eyeshadow palette. Box number 2. 2 is even bigger. In here. Yes, see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, full size. I've heard of Mirai before. Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Detoxify and revitalize the skin overnight. This is definitely for me. If I can open it. What did they do with the packaging to make it so hard to open? Okay. Whoa, this is a big jar. Oh, this I've never had before. It's one of those pump dispensing lids. Oh, I like this. That you push on it and it gives you just the right amount of product. Oh, and it also, you don't have to dip your fingers into the jar and, you know, contaminate the rest of the cream. Okay, I'm liking this. So far, I'm very happy. Next, now this looks gorgeous too. Oh, the Queen. A queen lies in all of us, Eloise. Oh, I never heard, I don't know if the brand is called the Queen or is it Eloise? the brand. No, okay, Eloise is the brand. Yes, Eloise Beauty. I never heard of them either. They're from England. Okay, let's see. Oh, this time this has more bright colors in it, and it has a mirror. Look at that. Yeah, these are too bright for my liking. Unless I'm going, you know, for a costume or costume party or some other ball that, I don't know, I wouldn't reach for this. I mean, I definitely would reach for the neutral colors in here, the neutral shades. Let's see. Kingdom. Okay. Compared to the first palette in the first box, the pigment I don't find is there. It feels drier in texture. It's not as buttery and creamy on the finger when I swatched it compared to the first palette. Yeah, this is a little bit drier texture. Maybe it's the color. Okay, yeah, see, so it depends. I swatched these two matte shades and they were a little drier in texture, and then when I swatched this one on my finger, it felt more buttery and there was a little bit more pigment. So I guess it depends. Let's try another matte. This is not bad. Like, I swatched this one, it's not so bad. So I guess it's hit or miss for this one. I'll get a chance to play around with it and give my opinion one of these days. Oh, I love any skincare item I love. So this one's called My Daily Dose of Uplift. What's the brand? Skin Ink? Supplement bar. Smooth and Lift. This is a cocktail of, collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serums from Japan. This is right up my alley. I never heard of this brand either from Japan. Ooh, it's a little dropper style packaging, and it's so cool. It has these encapsulated, oh, okay, ignore my nails. You can see the tiny encapsulated beads in there. I'm curious. Oh, it's very gel-like. Okay. Yeah, it's, there's hardly any scent. Feels like it's gonna absorb well into the skin. Doesn't feel greasy. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Okay, this is Mellow Cosmetics Liquid Lip Gloss. Ooh, oh, this color looks good. Saint Tropez. Now that, you know, we have to keep on wearing a mask, I'm not into lip gloss anymore. Just because, you know, it transfers into everything, so I might not wear this as often. But here, this is how it looks. Oh, this looks nice. I like this color. This is like, it's almost a J-Lo. Oh, can you see it? Okay, I didn't put it right. It's like, okay, let's do this again. What if I put it on my lip? No. I already have something on. Okay, I don't know. But it looks like a very nice caramel gloss. It's hard to pick up on the camera, but if you could see, it looks like a caramel gloss. Caramel colored gloss. I can't wait to try this. Should I put it on my lip? I really want to try it. Okay. I'll be back. I'm gonna wipe my lip. Okay, let's try this. Oh my god, there's a huge zit on my nose. Ugh, that's so horrible. Do you see it? Okay, I need more. Oops. Yeah, very nude on me. Right? Kind of washes me out. I guess I need to use lip liner on it. I was hoping there'd be some blush products in here. Okay, I'm not sure about the color. I would have to play around with it and try it with a lip liner. Maybe then I'll like it. Shadow Flip Multi-Chromatic Shifting Liquid Shadow. That's interesting. This is by, oh, Ciate London. This looks like mermaid colors, all in one, mermaid vibes. Okay, let's swatch this. Do you see a shift? Oh, it does. I do see a shift. Do you see a shift? It looks purple in one moment, but when I turn, I don't know. Do you see anything? No, it doesn't seem to shift on my hand. Purple? Purple and green? Okay, what if I put it in my eyes? Let's, I'll try it on the other eye. It goes on purple. Like a, wow, yeah, it goes on purple. Okay, so then let's just pop this on. Ooh. Definitely, I would wear this during the evening or night times. It's too much for me during the day. Can you see? It looks pink purple right now. But, okay, I don't see it shifting colors. I thought it would turn like, you know, like a purple, green as I, you know, change my position. One last thing. What is this? Okay. Oh, another palette. What is this? I never heard of these brands. Cab. K-A-B, Cab. Cab, another eyeshadow palette. Okay. They give me 2 eyeshadow palettes. Couldn't they swap one for a blush palette? Blush is my favorite thing. I wish they included that. Cab Cosmetics Day and Night. Oh, okay. Let's see. What's this? I never heard of it. I like their sleek packaging though. I have to admit, I like their simple, sleek packaging. Ooh, these are now my colors. These are all like nudes and neutrals and a few maybe a little subtle bright colors like the pinks in here. This is pretty. It has a mirror. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, that pigment is like, okay, I don't know where to put. I don't have anywhere else to put. Let's go here. Okay, that's hard to tell, but you can tell it feels buttery. I'm gonna try a shimmer here. No, it feels very buttery and pigmented on the Georgia Peach. Yeah. Oh, wait, sorry. Guess you can't see it. Okay, let me try that again. Definitely. Oh, sorry. Out of all the eyeshadow palettes that I got, the brand with the most, I would say, most pigment and very easy to apply is the OPV Beauty and then Cab. These two are great. And unfortunately, the Queen is not so clean. It's a little drier and not buttery. Pigment's not there, unfortunately. The colors are great, but formula-wise, not impressed. These two, I am. Okay. That's all I have. But I hope you enjoyed this simple, fast rundown video of BoxyCharm. I'm gonna get one every month, so look out for those. So I'll see you next time. Bye.